That's fine. Well, when I did this question, I decided to first of all find the coefficient of x to the 4 in this expansion. It just looks a little bit nicer. So to get the x to the 4, I need to get a minus ax squared squared. So it's going to be 5c2 times 1 to the power of 3 times minus ax squared squared. 5c2 becomes 5 factorial over 3 factorial 2 factorial, which is going to be 5 times 4 times 3 factorial, which will then cancel out and we'll be left with 10. Which means I'll have as my coefficients 10a squared. I'll just put a little circle around that. Now for this one here, and I want the coefficient of x to the 3. So I decided to write 1 plus 2x as like a single term, and then 3x squared as the other term. So this is my a, and this is my b. Okay, so I want the coefficient of x to the 3, so I'm either going to get it by just going with 1 plus 2x to the 6. That's like my first term, and I can figure out how I can get it from that in a second. Or I can get it from 6c1. Actually, that just ends up being 6 times 1 plus 2x to the 5 times 3x squared. Any term I do after that would involve a higher power of x. I'd get like 3x squared squared for the next one. It's already going to be x to the 4. There's no way I could get an x to the 3 from it. So I only need to consider these two. That's what I'm trying to say here. So let's deal with them one at a time, actually. I'm only looking, remember, for the coefficient of x to the 3. So 1 plus 2x to the 6. How do I get my coefficient of x to the 3? It's going to be when I raise 2x to the power of 3. So 6c3 times 1 to the 3 times 2x to the power of 3. So that's 6 factorial over 3 factorial, 3 factorial times 8x to the 3, which will be 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial, which cancels out. Then I divide it by another 3 factorial. I'm going to get 20. So 160 x cubed overall. And then for my other one, what was it? 18. Then it was x squared 1 plus 2x to the 5. What I'm actually interested in now is just the x term from this one. Oh, sorry, I haven't raised it bar 5 yet. So that will be when I go with 5c1. Actually, again, that is just 5. So 5 times 1 to the power of 4